like being there for so long with the production?
Right. Well, this is my first time shooting with Dabu sir. So, working with him was a learning experience too. He's brilliant with lighting and he's very fast and very precise. So, yeah.
कई कई एक्टर्स का कैलेंडर शूट कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, तो थोड़े से स्ट्रिक्ट हैं, कहीं स्ट्रिक्ट
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. बहुत इजी गोइंग आदमी है, बहुत कूल आदमी है और या और ये मेरा माइकल जैक्सन जूते. बस एक स्टेप. So yeah, these are my magical dancing shoes. So, yeah.
नवाज भी हमसे मोना माइकल में डांस करा, उनके लिए काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट है, उन्होंने बोला तो क्या आप हेल्प करने वाले हैं उनकी डांस में, डांस सिखाएंगे उनको?
एक्चुअली ये सब नवाज सर का एक नाटक है. शॉट से पहले बोलते कि यार टाइगर कैसा करूँगा ये सब. जब रोल कैमरा होता है वो एकदम से कैरेक्टर में घुस जाते हैं और कमाल करते हैं. आई मीन ही इज़ आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट टैलेंट्स वी हैव हैड इन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. वेरी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला इनसे एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी वर्किंग विद नवाज सर. बिग फैन ऑफ हिम.
काबिल भी आ रही है, हम दिखा दे रहे हैं हर जगह पे, आदमी अपना गुरु मानते हैं. क्या कुछ रिएक्शन आप ट्रेलर देखने के बाद अगर आपको बताना चाहिए?
आई थिंक हमेशा की तरह मैं हमेशा इम्प्रेस हो जाता हूँ. हमेशा आई एम ऑलवेज ब्लोन अवे वॉचिंग ऋतिक सर ऑन स्क्रीन. बस ऑल द बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगा राकेश जी को और ऋतिक सर को और पूरी टीम को. एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोना डू फिनोमिनल. या इट्स समथिंग ही ऋतिक सर ऑलवेज डज समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड या
This year for calendar of
I am one of them. Yeah.
who are the other two?
I don't know, sir. I haven't seen. Sunny and Disha. Okay. I'm gonna go check out the shots now. So, yeah.
Have you seen it yet? I've not seen it.
No, I've just seen my shots, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So,
गिटार बजाते हुए देखा.
हाँ.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस गिटार बजाने का? Was it your idea or was it?
I will take a little credit for this because I'm a big George Michael fan and I think जब opportunity आई ये करने की, I think my mind went there because he had just passed away. So and being a fan, it was something that I just wanted to give back or like show my appreciation in some way. And I hope people like it. People who are his fans like it in some way. No, that's a very good try.
Were there any other pictures you liked from him?
Yeah, I think Aishwarya Rai's picture is really stunning. Sunny Leon is really beautiful as well, and Sanjay Dutt is on the calendar, which is really cool as well. So I think Happy New Year, sir. How are you?
What can we expect from you in the new year?
Hopefully a good film. Badrinath की ध्वनियाँ आ रही है March 10th को, and hopefully that film will entertain the audience. I think क्या हो जाता है, my last film was Dishum and now Badrinath, so there's so much gap in between and sometimes so much news comes out about you which is nothing to do with the film. And being an actor, I want everything that comes out about me to be about the film, and I want people to know that I'm trying to work hard and take my films really seriously. And Badrinath is one such film that I have put in a lot of effort into. I mean, eventually everyone does work hard, but I'm hoping people will connect with the film and the moral of the film.
Varun, I'm just putting the Badrinath tattoo.
Not as yet, I'm not. I don't know. See, what happens is that I wear it at every event, and people feel I'm promoting my film and all that. So there's still time, but 2 months are left for Badrinath. So yeah, soon.
There are reports that you're going to beef up for Jurga 2.
What are the reports?
That you're going to beef up for Jurga 2.
I'm going to try beefing up a little bit.
Okay.
What kind of preparation
You know, honestly, it was Hakim Alim who did the hair and added this thing, and then and Natasha Gaurav styled me for it, and Dabbu took the picture. I didn't do much, to be honest. I just posed, and it's all the lighting and it's all the photographer. Our job is pretty easy actually, not too difficult. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Happy New Year. Take care. Take care, guys.
Good evening. Well, it's very, very difficult to actually choose like the best picture. They're all so different, and I sort of realized that this time the calendar has like very different moods. You know, in every picture there are like different moods that he's captured, which is amazing. I really liked a lot of shots. I loved Tiger's shot. Again, he's hanging and he's doing some sort of action, which he's amazing at. And it's a fab picture. Then I really liked Ranveer's picture. Then I liked Aishwarya Rai's picture, Shah Rukh's picture, and of course my picture.
ये आपका दूसरी बार है जब आप लास्ट टाइम डेब्यू
Yeah. Last year was my debut, and this time is my second year.
Do you think it was like pushing the envelope more like
You know, I think for me it's more like doing something different every time. I think, you know, you can't always keep pushing the envelope. I think you need to do something different from what you've done before. So, what I liked about this picture actually was very spontaneous, because when we came on the studio, we were like, okay, so we'll shoot a picture and I'll be like wrapped in sheets and just wearing boots and, you know, pretty early morning, just woken up from the bed sort of a picture. But then my stylist was actually like, you know, why is she wearing boots? And we all started thinking that, okay, why is she wearing boots? And we sort of thought of giving it a backstory, which is like probably she's come from a late night party drunk, and she's just thrown the bottle, taken off her clothes and slept with just boots on and her makeup on. And hence in the morning the smudgy eyes and there's an empty bottle lying around. So it's sort of a hangover picture is what I call it.
किसी को चाहे नहीं जो इसमें होना चाहिए था ऐसा लाइक आपको लगता है लाइक समवन मतलब लाइक वो मूड पे हर राइट किसी को पार्ट ऑफ दी
There are a lot of people, yeah. I think every year I like the fact that he gets someone new. You know, last year it was my debut, it was Athiya's debut. This year it's Sunny's debut, it's Disha's debut, Tiger's debut. So I think it's really amazing how he gets every year 1-2 new people, and I'm sure he's going to keep doing that later. So yeah, we don't even see all the Khans here. So yeah, let's hope we see the other 2 Khans as well. I have no idea यार मैं मतलब मैं अगर मेरे बोलने से वो खिंचवाते तो मैं जो बोल देती उनको, पर ऐसा है नहीं.
अरे 10 दिन
मैं थोड़ा लेट हो रही हूँ.
10 दिन बीत चुके हैं नए साल के लिए 10 दिन कैसे बीते आपके अभी तक?
बहुत अच्छे बीते. एंड नया साल शुरुआत में मैं थोड़ी लेज़ी होती हूँ. शुरू में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं करती हूँ. But yeah, it's been a great start to a new year, and of course Dabbu's calendar sort of makes you know, you wake up that okay, now the new year has started. So yeah, now I think my new year has started.
मीडिया ने ऐसे कुछ खबरें की कि टाइगर जिंदा है आप कुछ कह रहे हैं कितना ट्रू है ये?
I have not even read this. तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ना मुझे पता है. और I think हमेशा आप लोगों को ज़्यादा पता होता है, मुझे बाद में पता चलता है.
2017 में क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं?
Well, 2017 first half में Rabta is going to come and Bareilly's Barfi going to come. So Bareilly ki Barfi and Rabta is quite close to each other. So yeah, it's going to be my first back-to-back, and promotions are going to definitely kill me. But I like the fact that both the films are very, very different, and they both are very special to me. So I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for being so generous. Bye. Thank you.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have lots to be thankful for over the last 6 to 8 months. Lots of amazing things have happened, and my husband is the one who told me that हम ये calendar करेंगे. He came up to me and said, there's not a lot of things that matter. You get paid for this and you do this job and that job, but doing a double calendar, being in it, that matters. And it's very, very true. I'm very excited about it, and the picture turned out nice. हाँ जी, किसने compliment दिया? Yeah, yes, of course. You know, it's nice. Everybody, ever since I walked in, मैंने ये picture देखा नहीं जब तक मैं यहाँ आई, so I didn't get to see it. But I've been getting nice compliments all night, so that's good. We'll see क्या होता है online में.
But then there's an icon number also, like who's an icon number, and there's a how you getting like comparisons, similarities, are people telling you something?
Well, my fans like it, which is nice. And like I said right from the beginning, I think that she's a very beautiful woman. I like her song. I think it's great. The two songs are बहुत different. She's doing a Western song. I'm doing more of an Indian feel song. So I hope everybody enjoys both. That's all.
And out of all the pictures, which ones are your favorites?
I love Shah Rukh, and here's the reason why. Not because I did this, you know, not just did the song, but there's like something really attractive about a man, tires, dirty, changing a car tire on the side of a road without a t-shirt on. I mean, it doesn't even get any better than that. All right? Okay, bye. Bye, guys. See ya.